Okay, so like most of you out there, I'm always looking for a better way to start my day, right? I mean, who isn't?
Yeah, absolutely.
So today we're going to do a deep dive into something that might seem simple on the surface, but really packs a punch.
I like that, real punch, yeah.
A short morning yoga routine.
Really short, like we're talking 15 minutes.
Exactly 15 minutes, and that's
It's
it.
especially for beginners.
Especially if you're just starting out,
Yeah, and you'd be surprised what even just that little bit can do for you.
That's what really jumped out at me from all the research. Like,
Oh yeah, for sure.
it's amazing how much of a difference just those 15 minutes can make for your whole day.
Yeah, and all those things we struggle with in the mornings, like
Oh, totally.
stiffness.
Yeah, definitely feeling that more and more these days.
And just low energy, right?
Oh, yeah, like dragging yourself through that first hour or two.
Exactly, and the research really shows that even a tiny bit of yoga in the morning can make a huge difference.
So instead of just pounding another cup of coffee,
Right, exactly.
you're saying we should be hitting the yoga mat.
Well, even just a few simple stretches,
I like that better already.
Right. It's all about getting your body moving and waking up your system in a more balanced way.
So what's actually happening in our bodies when we do that?
Yeah.
What makes it so much better than just like, chugging caffeine?
Okay, so think about it, right? You wake up and your body's been pretty still for hours.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So things are kind of tight.
Definitely can relate to that.
Right. Especially your lower back.
Oh, my lower back is always a mess in the mornings.
Your hips and shoulders, too.
Yeah, actually, my shoulder's been really tight lately, too. Come to think of it.
So a little yoga helps to loosen all that up, gets the blood flowing.
Okay, so it's like literally getting the kinks out.
Exactly. It's like giving your body a nice, gentle wake-up call.
Way better than my alarm clock, that's for sure.
And it's not just physical, it's mental, too.
Oh, right. That's a really key part, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot of the research we looked at emphasized that connection between your body and your mind.
Like how they both affect each other.
Exactly. So even just 15 minutes of yoga can help calm those racing thoughts you get in the morning.
I mean,
Totally, that feeling of like your to-do list is already a mile long.
before you even get out of bed.
Exactly. And yoga can actually help with anxiety too.
How does that work?
Well, the research suggests that it can kind of rebalance your brain chemistry.
Oh, wow, okay.
So you start the day feeling more grounded and centered.
This is like a natural mood booster.
Yeah, exactly. You're kind of setting the tone for a more positive day.
I like that a lot.
And then there's the energy boost you get.
Oh, yeah, because I was going to ask about that. Like, is it really better than coffee?
But the different kind of energy,
Okay, so not that jittery kind of.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's more sustained and it comes from within, if that makes sense.
I think so, like it's more natural.
Yeah, exactly. There are certain poses that really get your circulation going and energize you from the inside out.
Okay, give me an example.
Like cat-cow. Have you ever done that one?
I think I've seen it, but I'm not sure.
It's really gentle. It's basically just like arching and rounding your spine.
Oh, okay, yeah. I think I have seen that.
It's great for warming up your body,
I can see how that would get things.
or even a few rounds of sun salutations.
I definitely haven't done that one.
It's a little more dynamic, but still very doable for beginners.
So all this sounds amazing, but I'm picturing myself trying to do yoga in my tiny apartment with my cats running around and tripping over me.
I get it, but honestly, you don't need much space.
Really?
Seriously, just a quiet corner,
Okay, that's good.
and you don't even need a fancy yoga mat.
I was just thinking about that.
Just a rug or a towel will work fine.
Okay, that's even better.
The main thing is to have comfortable clothes you can move in,
Makes sense.
and if you need a little guidance,
Oh yeah, I definitely would.
there are tons of options out there.
Like what?
You could search for a beginner yoga class near you,
Okay, cool.
or there are tons of free videos online specifically for morning yoga.
Perfect.
And they're only 15 minutes long, so it's really easy to fit into your routine.
Okay, so let's say I find a video and ready to go. What are some of those key poses?
Okay, so we talked about cat-cow.
Right, warming up.
Exactly. Then there's downward dog.
I know that one vaguely.
It's a classic for a reason.
What makes it so great?
It stretches your whole body, like from your hands to your heels.
Oh wow.
It's really good for lengthening your hamstrings and your spine.
I can definitely do that.
And then child's pose is relaxing.
Okay, I like the sound of that one already.
It's super gentle. You basically just kneel down and fold forward, resting your forehead on the ground.
Sounds very calm.